25 years ago, you chose TOUGHBOOK to help navigate whatever rigors your job demanded, from the front lines to the factory floor. Since then, you've taken us along to building sites where new centers of commerce, culture, and education are reshaping our city skylines and suburban spreads. You've called on us while caring for patients, defending our freedoms, powering our biggest cities and smallest towns. Of course, the world changed along the way. Now, life moves faster. Connectivity has created a global community, and immediacy is everything. And you? Well, you've adapted. You've grown. As you've risen to new challenges, we've listened. We've watched. And we've evolved alongside you. But not everything has changed. What remains the same? Our gratitude for you, for your trust in us, and our promise to be your partner wherever the future takes us. Thank you.